I've managed to squeeze myself in on the bench today because the builder is his day off. So let's have a look at where I'm up to. So you can see it really starting to take shape now. And what I've got to do next is the background. So I've traced out all the pieces, and we've done how to make pattern pieces in the past. And I'm ready now to trace all of these patterns onto my chosen background glass, which is going to be this lovely purple stuff. Hopefully you can see it. It's got waves across it. I've traced all the pattern pieces out, and you can see it lightly on the camera. I can see it quite clearly in normal light. My first cut will be through here, a nice curve. And of course the black lines all got to come off because they're grout lines. And then I'll cut, once that's broken, I'll cut through here, and then I'll cut through here till I cut each of the pieces out as separate individuals. But really plan that first cut, otherwise you could end up with a terrible, terrible mess and having to redraft it all. So I'm actually going to have all of this here reusable because I am fussy cutting, so it's going to take twice as much glass. And by that I mean I want all of the lines to be running mostly across the glass, except for the side bit, which will be having it coming up the side. So you cut your glass with purpose, not randomly, because this is not going to be a random placement. So I'll do that now. I'll also film it as an extract for those who really want to watch it. The next bit is fitting each of the pieces that I've cut. So I know I want a reasonable grout line, and through here I'm going to follow these lines, and probably maybe that line or this line. And I may or may not need to cut the grout line off. So I'll proceed with that. As soon as I come to one where I've got to cut the grout line off, I'll show you how that happens.